Greetings. It is our pleasure to introduce you to Exonet Technologies Private Limited today. We will talk about our consulting and technology capabilities, who we are, what cutting edge production solutions we offer, and about our proud customers. Let's get started. Extranet has a humble beginning in 2002 in Bhopal, a beautiful lake city and capital of central state of India, as an IT infrastructure company. Since then, the company expanded its products, solutions and services to many diverse areas. Extranet also expanded geographically not only in major cities of India but also abroad in Middle East and North America, serving customers worldwide. Extranet is a CMMI Level 3 company and upgrading to CMMI Level 5 company by end of this year. It has forged partnerships with prominent technology provider companies in both software and hardware space such as Oracle, Microsoft, HP, Cisco, IBM and Dell to name a few. Serving customers in most of the industry domains such as government, public sector, banks, construction, telecom, retail and oil and gas. Looking forward to serve many more customers from diverse industry segments. Extranet offerings can be classified into four major categories: business solutions, IT services, IT infrastructure, and non-IT infrastructure. In business solutions category, we offer Industry 4.0 solutions using artificial intelligence, machine learning, IoT-based solutions. Our flagship product is low-code digital transformation platform called Synergy. In IT services category, we provide managed IT services on-site and offshore at very competitive prices, ERP implementation and support services, business process outsourcing and call center services. Extranet has in-house research team to develop innovative solutions using cutting-edge technologies such as computer vision, Internet of Things, artificial intelligence, big data analysis, and blockchain for major industry segments. We have used machine vision application to ensure workplace safety by detecting safety equipment and masks through existing CCTV infrastructure. We have created ready-made solution for capturing time and attendance using facial recognition technology using desktop and mobile devices that are synchronized with central clock server. Extranet offers RFID-based solutions for various use cases such as material tracking, asset tagging, etc. Extranet offers variety of applications. With network of consultants, best solution shall be recommended as per your business requirements. Synergy is a digital transformation platform built on open source AI enabled technology to simplify the user interaction with various information systems. Using business process management tool, agile business processes are automated and their performance is monitored effectively. Task and workflow management capabilities ensures that business activities are carried out in most efficient and transparent manner. Integrated project management tool enables successful execution of every stage of the project and achievement of milestones with right time, cost and quality. We have created a state-of-the-art document management system with collaborative features to support end-to-end enterprise digitalization roadmap. We use graph database tools to create data lakes and perform advanced predictive analytics. Unified help desk leads to increase in productivity of support functions and increase in satisfaction of employees and customers. Internal social media leads to better collaboration and teamwork to engage employees in informal ways in the organization. We develop cross-platform mobile apps in almost no time using advanced Google Flutter technology and Synergy API services. We are enhancing our conferencing tool to support remote workers with various advanced features such as multiple screen sharing and chatbots. There are several ready-to-use products that can be deployed and configured by our consultants as per your requirements. eatandstay.com offers product booking, home delivery services with range of choices for hotels, restaurants, bakery and banquets for customers. Hotel Management System is one-stop solution for small independent hotels as well as large full-service chain of hotels. Human Resource Management Solution supports end-to-end employee lifecycle events through self-services and paperless approach. Extranet provides complete inventory tracking and stock management solution to small and medium-sized businesses. Extranet's cloud-based GPS tracking system is a combination of GPS and SMS tracking technology with flexible advanced reporting capabilities. We provide end-to-end IT services required to manage large enterprise solutions and infrastructure. Our ERP services covers implementation, support, upgradation, integration, and analytics. We have developed and customized an integrated BPO platform leveraging the state-of-the-art infrastructure, technology skills, and HR best practices. Extranet offers various advantages related to BPO IT-enabled services to its clients across different business verticals. Our services are integrated with social media, big data, geographic information systems with integrated drill-down dashboards. Extranet has rich experience in IT consulting, including staff augmentation, flexible manpower sourcing services in India and abroad. We have extensive experience in setting up integrated command and control center for large smart city projects. We provide sizing for hardware equipment, development of network diagrams, implementation and support services for smart cities. Extranet partnered with Taiwan-based Wi-Fi giant Zcom that provide wireless networking solutions and offer wide range of carrier-grade wireless access points. Zcom Rural Wi-Fi solution offers unique way to overcome ground-level challenges. Till now, Zcom has provided high-quality products covering more than 7,000 villages in the country. Extranet offers IT infrastructure implementation and related services for data center and integrated command and control center for smart city and other projects. Extranet infrastructure services includes network management, monitoring, backup, restore, troubleshooting, and user help desk support. Extranet also offers non-IT infrastructure and management services such as building management services, physical security, CCTV, visitor management systems, etc. Our list of clients range from government entities to major public sector units. We also serve large corporates and multinational corporations as well as small and medium-sized enterprises. Thank you for your time. For further information, please visit our website www.extranetindia.com or reach us via email sales@extranetindia.com. Thanks again.